Now here in question number 8, the problem is, in question number 8, the problem is the function f is defined by fx is equals to 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p for x greater than p by 4, where p is a constant. We have to find f dash x, and hence it determine whether f is increasing function or decreasing function or neither. So we will differentiate it. If the derivative is more than 0, we will say that increasing. If it is less than 0, we will say that decreasing. And if we cannot say, if it is equal to 0, I will say, then we cannot determine. So let us differentiate it. First, f of x, let us write f of x, which is 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p. Okay, now if I differentiate this f dash x, so it will be 2 minus the whole power is minus 1, so it will be plus, it will be say, you can write this as 2 minus 3 times 4x minus p power minus 1, so the power will become minus 2. So that minus 2 you will write in denominator. You can say that 4x minus p the whole square, minus 2 you will write here, and you will differentiate this 4x minus p, so derivative is 4. Okay, so as you can see, this is 2 plus 12 divided by 4x minus p the whole square. Now this denominator 4x minus p the whole square, this is a square term, and hence it is always going to be positive. Plus 2 is going to be positive, so I will say that this f dash x is always greater than 0. So therefore here I will say that fx is increasing function. Fx is increasing function. This is the first part. Whether fx is increasing, so yes, fx is increasing. Now second, f inverse x we have to express in this particular format. So fx, once again we will write fx is equal to 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p, 2 divided by, it is 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p. This is your fx, right? 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p. I have to find f inverse x. So for that, what we can do, we can replace this fx by say x, and here I will replace this x with y, so it is 4y minus p, and I will express y terms of y in terms of x. Here I will say that replace x and y. Okay, so I have x minus 2 is equal to, x minus 2 is equals to 3 divided by minus 3 divided by 4y minus p. I have to write y in terms of x, so therefore I will shift y from here. I will say that this therefore 4y minus p is equals to minus 3 divided by x minus 2. Okay, x minus 2, and then this 4y is equals to p minus 3 divided by x minus 2, and therefore y is equals to p divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 4 into 1 upon x minus 2. Now what, in what format I have to express? Let us see once again. I have to express as p divided by a minus b divided by cx minus d, p divided by a. So p divided by a. Okay, so this is in the form p divided by a. So y is equals to p divided by 4, p divided by 4, then minus b, so it's minus 3 divided by, here 4 I will multiply by x, it is 4x minus 4 to the 8. Okay, so you have written this function in the form p divided by a minus b divided by cx minus d, where a, b, c, d are the integers. Okay, now the next part is, hence state the value of p for which f inverse x is equal to fx. So we have f inverse x is equal to fx. So therefore f inverse x is what, p divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 4x minus 8. Yes, here this is your f inverse x. This is your f inverse x, which is p divided by 4 minus 3 divided by 4x minus 8. And if we see what is fx, it is 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p. 2 minus, so this is equals to 2 minus 3 divided by 4x minus p. 3 divided by 4x minus p. Okay. So if you compare, you will get p divided by 4 will be equal to 2. So p is equals to 8. So by comparing, we will get the value of p as 8. Then, so finally, the value of p we get 8.